So in this video we're gonna take a look at a brand new mouse from Cooler Master. It's called CM310 and he has a maximum DPI of 10K. 10,000. I mean, why? Need to verify I'm not rambling right now. We got a maximum DPI of 10,000 DPI sensor. Guys, super excited what this is all about. We better open the box. Alright, let's dig into it. so what do we got with us today, guys? We got a highly anticipated mouse. In fact, I've been looking forward to taking a look at this for quite a while. The price, it costs $29.99 US, which is a very attractive price point, I have to say. We got RGB, illumination, and what else do we got? We got a sensor with 10K DPI. Now guys, out of curiosity, what DPI settings are you using? Now, me personally, I never go over 600-700. Let's flip it around, let's see what we got. First and foremost, we got a gaming grade optical sensor, a 10,000 DPI sensor, which offers peak performance during even the most troubling times. We got rubberized side grips, comfortable grip with unmatched stability and control. We got RGB, again, RGB illumination, 5 preset mode. We got a balanced weight system, calibrate to 100 grams, not too light, not too heavy, is perfect for gaming and domination. And we got an ergonomic shape, ambitious design, caters to both hands of all grip types. You can, if I read this correctly, you can use this for if you're right-handed or left-handed. We got the mandatory knife here, obviously. Let's open the box. Let's see what we got. I'll try this 10K sensor. Have I missed something here? Oh, we got even more stickers on the back. Let's see. Let's see if I can actually break this open or if I'm gonna have to do some retakes. Here we go. Black box with a purple sort of Cooler Master's logo without any text on it. Looks very cool actually. Let's see. Wow, awesome, nice. Make your gaming experience. Look at that. The amount of details, I love it. Look at that. What a nice presentation. Wow, this is how it should be done, right? Look at that. What a nice packing. God damn. All right, let's see. So we got the nice $30. All right, I wonder what switches these are. I'm really curious to find out what switches they decided to go with. Anyway, let's dive deeper. What else do we got? Is there anything else useful in here? We got a manual, obviously, and no stickers this time. Boo-hoo, right? We got 2-year warranty. We got a left and right click lifespan of 30 million times. Nice, nice. 5.9 inch cable or 1.8 meters in length, which is standard among gaming peripherals, I'd say. We got a maximum pull rate of 1000 Hertz or 1 millisecond. We got DPI levels. In fact, we got 7 different DPI levels, guys. 500, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4, 5 and whopping 10,000. Who the hell who is brave enough to use the 10K? I don't know, but we gotta try it out, right? And the sensor is in fact a Pixart A3325. Never heard about this sensor before. It weighs in at about 135 grams or 0.297. I think we got everything out of the way. No stickers, unfortunately. We need to try it out. Unfortunately, no braided cable this time. Saddens me a bit. I prefer braided for many reasons. This gripping material is a little bit more challenging to game with. Small stickiness to it. Whoa, look at that. Got RGB right across the old body. We got RGB on the scroll wheel, on the back as well. Alright, nice, interesting. Can't believe it's so cheap though. What do I think about it? I like it so far. I really do. What can I say? It feels nice, guys. The weight definitely feels on point. Scroll wheel feels nice. fluid, nice grip. And how about the DPI profiles? Let's try them out super quick. Alright, so the wheel changes color as well as the logo. So this is 10,000 DPI. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think I need an 8K monitor. Like guys, that's gotta conclude this video. Now let me know in the comments below, have you had a chance to check this mouse out? This is actually brand new, it just came out, and I'm super psyched to give this a solid try. Obviously, I think Cooler Master have done great products in the past. Now guys, I want to know, what do you think about Cooler Master in general? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Can't wait to go online and start fragging. Now guys, that's gotta cut it for this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, have an awesome day. Alright, bye.